Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to a Kia Sorento. We'll cover both wireless Bluetooth pairing and wired USB connections. You'll learn how to utilize features like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto for seamless integration. Finally, I'll provide some helpful troubleshooting tips to resolve any common issues you might encounter during the process. Let's get started. To connect wirelessly, first ensure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and discoverable. Next, on your Kia Sorento's infotainment screen, navigate to the Setup menu. Select the Phone option, then choose Add New to begin the pairing process. Your Sorento will display a code. Confirm this code matches on your phone to complete the secure connection. It's a straightforward process. For a wired connection, simply plug your phone into the Sorento's USB port using a compatible cable. This often enables Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, providing access to navigation, music, and messages directly on your car's display. Always ensure your phone's operating system is up to date for optimal performance. Also, verify the USB port is clean and functioning correctly. If you encounter connection problems, try restarting both your phone and the Kia Sorento's infotainment system. Sometimes, deleting previous Bluetooth pairings from both devices and starting fresh can resolve issues. Inspect your USB cable for any signs of damage or wear, as a faulty cable can prevent a connection. For persistent problems, refer to your Sorento's owner's manual for specific guidance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.